Today we're in your close reader on page 28, reading Ring the Bell. My name is Thomas, and you'll never guess where I live. My home is inside the Great Liberty Bell in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The other day, a huge crowd came to town to celebrate America's birthday. People gave speeches about freedom, then suddenly, gong, 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 the bell rang, and I was inside. Can you visualize that with me? Being inside that bell when it rings? Oh my goodness, it probably was super duper loud. The bell rang and I was inside. I hung on tight by my tail, but I didn't mind. It was the sound of freedom. What a fortunate mouse I am to live here. So that last line there tells us whose point of view the story is told from. So who is telling our story? It's the mouse, and that's what makes this an animal fantasy, because we know that the mouse can't really talk, right? But that's how the story is written, and so that's what makes it a fantasy. And our little mouse, named Thomas, lives in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, in this big bell called the Liberty Bell, which is an important symbol for the United States. You guys are going to get to watch a video later this afternoon about the Liberty Bell, and then you'll get to construct your own Liberty Bell as well. So you'll get to learn a little bit more about it. But I would like for you to go ahead and reread this text on your own. And I want you to make sure that when you get to paragraph 2 and you see those exclamation points, you should say those sentences with expression, with excitement, right? That's what that exclamation point means. You need to say it with a lot of gusto, like gong, gong. Okay, so I want you to do that as you read it. And then you have 2 questions to answer down here. What event does ringing